District 10, 5 minutes to Orchard Road. Freehold. Private lift lobby. Welcome to Latitude, a full facilities condo a little way from Orchard. I'm Diana from the Property Runway, and I can't wait to show you this marvelous unit that we have for you today. From the moment that you enter the condominium, you'll be wowed by the impressive drop-off areas. Wide and spacious, it leaves all your visitors a lasting first impression. Here, across the 11,625 square meters of grounds, you have a 20 meters lap pool, tennis courts, playgrounds, jacuzzis, gym, and gardens. In fact, search online for a 2,500 square feet 4-bedroom house in this prime location and you'll find there's a lot of layouts with wasted space, too excessive a roof garden, or perhaps a really old home. This is why, with an extremely squarish design, with a size of 2,766 square feet, this 4-bedroom home is especially for those who cherish space maximization and relish living in the heart of the city in style. Where is Latitude? It is located at Jalan Mutiara, which is a little street off the main River Valley Road. Aptly named because every single unit here has a north and south facing. There are only 3 blocks and each block has only 2 units on each level, so it's extremely exclusive. Once you step through the lobby, the first thing that meets your eye is the expansive living area. With wide windows and a generous balcony on both sides of the house, appreciate the northern and southern winds throughout the year. Let's start right at the front of the house. This first balcony sits before an unblocked view of the city. With a pool just at your feet, and with plenty of low-rise buildings in front of us, it ensures that our unit enjoys a breathtaking view of the city. With such a massive space, there's plenty of room for fine dining while taking in the city views from the second balcony. And tucked at this corner, we have a door leading to the kitchen, and this kitchen is pretty unique. Let me share with you why. Because it is a standalone at the side of the house, the master chef of the house can be inspired by the natural light and city lights all times of the day. And on this side, we have the service door, where you can receive food deliveries without the hassle of walking through the living area. A generous laundry area is tucked in this corner, alongside this massive helpers room, where you can host 2 helpers to maintain the house of this magnitude. And now let's head to the bedrooms. Now this is what we mean by an extremely efficient use of space. With 2 bedrooms on each side of the property, this ensures that the corridor space is minimized. On our right, the first room is currently a study room. Use it as a hobby room and occasionally rest and gaze into the city for inspiration. The common bathroom is just right across the study, perfectly placed for your guests to use it without venturing too much into your resting area. Next to the bathroom is the kids' bedroom, fitting in 2 super single beds comfortably. Walk to the end of the corridor and we find 2 ensuite bedrooms. The bedroom on the right is the grand master bedroom. This bedroom is a breezy space for a king-size bed, not to mention a massage chair. Built in is this 5-door wardrobe leading up to your impressive master bathroom. The last bedroom is a junior ensuite. It comes with a built-in 4-door wardrobe along with a lovely little bathroom and your very own little balcony for a breath of fresh air. Indeed, there's so much you can do with the great abundance of indoor space. Like to make this idyllic home your very own? Call the Property Runway today for an exclusive viewing. See you soon!